Delhi. Good morning, all of you. And today this is, a compulsory exercise from the Directorate of Education, because northwest of Delhi, the zone of Delhi, falls under the seismic zone 4, which is among one of the most critical zones where earthquake is concerned. Alright, it is a compulsory exercise for all schools of Delhi and especially of northwest. If you had gone through the newspaper yesterday, they had already given a printout and write-up on this, that all schools here in northwest Delhi had gone through this exercise, especially the government schools. So it is also compulsory for all private schools as well. And we have to maintain, this is the official documentation for the directorate. So I hope I will get cooperation from all of you, and if you don't talk, it would be much appreciated. I'll be showing you a demonstration over here that right now, we have already brought down children. The first criteria when an earthquake hits is to evacuate a building and be far away from a structure. That is the first criteria. Alright, I'm sure you know about this. Now the second one, in case if children are trapped inside, if anybody is trapped inside, or maybe a house, it's not necessarily a school or a college or anything, but even inside a house, second thing is that you are not supposed to stand under a door frame, you are not supposed to stand near a window, and you are supposed to go under some structure like this table, and you're supposed to hold the leg of the table, because during an earthquake there are a lot of tremors. In case if you do not hold the table would be moving on in some other direction and you would be left totally unguided over there. So that is why it is important. Anything heavy, like a school desk, maybe a table, like you have dining table at home, in case you are at home at that time. So these are some of the things which needs to be followed, and usually this is very common knowledge which we ignore most of the time. So this is just a part of that exercise. I'll be calling up two students, Charan and Himanshu, to come up on stage so that we can show all of them what can be done during the time of earthquake.
सुमित बच्चे इसको ड्रामा हटाने का बोलो.
Alright, these are two students from 10G and they will show you how to go under the table in case such a kind of a situation arises. Can we have a demonstration, please? Hold on to the leg. Thank you so much. Yes, you may come out. Now, in case if there is no table, then what to do in that kind of a situation? What can be done? You have school bags with you, you have books with you, you can keep the book on your head just to save your head. Hold it. You can keep your book on your head like this, or maybe your school bag, because one of the first protection is that your head should be protected. It's important. So keep it down. Thank you so much. Now there are many other exercises, not everything can be demonstrated over here, but this is just to give you an idea that in case of such a kind of a situation, what needs to be done. Thank you. You may go back.
हाँ, वो हम इन दोनों को रोक के खींच लेंगे.
Now we have an activity going on for British Council in which we are collecting a lot of these old newspapers and